Okay, this and this, they go together. You need them. Lighting, better. I think it's better than a selfie light. You can do more with it. Hold it. Simple, light. It's rechargeable. No batteries. You can see the back. Buttons on the back. Make it brighter. So bright. Great battery life. It lasts me for filming. Like here, it's lasted me a long time. We're still going. Even if I do run out of battery, C-type charger, we're still going. And then simple on and off switch. Quick, easy. You don't have to sit there and wait. Oh shoot, I need to take a picture. Boom. Ready. I mean. And then, like I said, it pairs with this, which is amazing. Boom. Boom. And there you go. Nothing better. You're there. Put the phone in there. Boom. I mean, and you can stack these too. Stack them. I could put one here, I could put one here, and then, I mean, you can go on forever. Honestly, there's 3 spots on here that you can, got a cold chew. It's got the cold chew here, here, and here. I mean, you could put like so many. I could have 4 lights, another, you know, however many, 8 lights total. I don't know how bright you need it, but this does it. So the light. This light is amazing. Like I said, it pairs with the tripod. You need these. I promise you, it's easier. You will love them. It's a great gift. Essential. You don't have to be a content creator. Again. I'm gonna say it again. So there you go. 1 and 2 items so far. Lifesaver.